A very good morning to everyone. So here we are in the class of English and we were doing Macbeth. Macbeth, we are on this page, that is page number 109. And now when the doctor and a lady, gentle lady, to whom we are saying gentle woman also, when they were talking about Lady Macbeth, what she did, how she was pretending, and as she was walking in her dream. So now continue here with the dialogue. Doctor, do you mark that? Do you mark that means have you noticed? Lady Macbeth, the Thane of Five had a wife. Where is she now? What? Will these hands never be clean? No more. Oh, that, my lord. No more of that. You are all with this starting. Now she's talking about a deed she has committed. Okay, and what she has done, it is the Thane of Five had a wife. The Thane of Five, the king, who was having a wife. And where is she? She's asking herself, where is she? Means she is indicating that my hands would not be clean because of that act only. No more of that, my lord, no more of that. Means she's saying how I can get rid of these things. My hands never be clean. Never be clean means I have committed a bad thing. I have done a bad thing and now I won't be able to remove it. She was, in her words, she was repenting on it. Doctor, go to, you have known what you should not. Go to means keeps on saying. Say, and you have committed that you must not do. Gentlewoman, she has spoken what she should not. I am sure of that. Heaven knows what she has known. Then the lady, she was a well-wisher of her. She was saying, oh my God, what she said. She must not said whatever she has said. Lady Macbeth, here is the smell of the blood still. All the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand. Oh, oh, oh. Still she was trying to remove the blood stain from her hand. And now she is saying, oh, still I can feel the smell of blood. And she is saying all the perfumes of Arabia. All the perfumes of Arabia means the famous perfumes belong to Arabia. At that time, it means the place is famous for its perfumes. So she is saying, if I ask any perfume of Arabia, then the perfume will not be able to remove this smell. Doctor, what a sigh is that? The heart is sorely jarred. What a sigh is that? Means she is feeling bad. Her heart is really sad. She is not at all happy. Gentlewoman, I would not have such a heart in my bosom for the dignity of the whole body. Okay, for the dignity of the whole. More needs she the divine than the physician. God, forgive us all. Look after her. Remove from her the means of all annoyance, and still keep eyes upon her. So, good night. My mind she has mated, and amazed my sight. I think, but dare not to speak, Gentlewoman, good night, good doctor. So here in the final lines, the doctor is saying, foul whisperings are out of the place. Foul whisperings is saying something in a whispering mode. Foul is bad, means someone is saying, someone Everyone is uttering foul words. Unnatural deeds do breed unnatural troubles. If you are doing wrong, unnatural, that is not natural. Means wrong. Wrong deeds do breed. Do breed. It spreads unnatural troubles. If you do wrong, then the result will be wrong. So, the unnatural deeds are creating unnatural problems. Infected minds to their deaf below will discharge their secrets. Infected mind, those minds that knows the secret. Okay, they are discharging their secrets. Okay, they are saying something, they are telling their self. More needs she the divine than the physician. Now saying she, the lady, doesn't need any physician. She only need a divine help. She only need consolation. God, forgive us all. Look after her. Now he is requesting to God that whatever has been done, forgive us all for that. Take care of this lady. Have a look on her on this lady. Remove from her the means of all annoyance. All annoyance, whatever she has done, whatever she is repenting for, free her from that. And still keep eyes upon her. Okay. He's requesting to God to take care of the lady. So, good night. My mind she has mated and amazed my sight. My mind she has mated. It means here it is. She held my attention and made me think. Now I have to think that what she has done. And I'm really surprised. I'm amazed on my side that how the things are going on. I think but dare not to speak. I can think, I can feel, but I cannot say a word. After these words, it means the doctor was praying for the lady. He understood the things, and he is saying that there is only one way to cure her, that is the willingness of God. That is the prayer to God that we can do, and he is doing. At last, gentlewoman said, "Good night, good doctor." So here this was a chapter written by William Shakespeare, beautifully done. And here, when the lady was committed a deed and she has accepted this in front of doctor and the gentlewoman, when she was repenting for her deed. So now this is the time for comprehension. A and B. A is really easy, so you will do this in your homework. In our next video, we will discuss question B and question C. That is your answer the questions. Thank you and have a nice day all.